Banter. There's banter, lots of banter, Deb. Deb's banter. It's good. It's Ashley outdoors. Ashley outdoors. Outdoors banter, Ashley. Yeah. Kinder egg. Just Kinder egg. Just called Kinder egg. Low. Kinder egg. Kinder egg. Scout. Yeah, it's just. And outdoors, Dave. Wild.
Hey up, I'm a Nottingham lass and today we are at Sherwood Pines. It's fairly busy, but not too busy. Everyone's keeping their distance from each other. And yeah, I love Sherwood Pines. Just had to come here. What was that dream you had last night, Deb?
Oh God, yeah, and it wasn't. Well, I was lying on the sofa actually having a little nap, and you're drifting off, and I dreamt we were at Kinder Egg, not Kinder Scout, and I was trying to find Lou and Lol and Ashley outdoors, and we were bantering on, and there was Dave outdoors there, and there was loads of people there, and it was a big egg we were trying to climb or something. I can't remember, Kinder Egg or something. I can't remember. It was really weird. Oh, and then I woke up. Or I was still dreaming, woke up and there was a strange face on my wallpaper on my phone, on my screen on my phone. I'm sure it's whose face it was, people get ideas.
Was it Dave Outdoors by any chance?
I don't know who it was. Was it you put it on my phone, Lucy? Cheeky.
So big fat shout out to Ashley Outdoors. She's a new YouTuber and she's really into like building stuff in the woods. It's really interesting. But anyway, Ashley, what do you think to these little huts behind me?
So Lucy, do you remember years ago we went on one of those PGL outdoor adventure holidays, dead cheap, and we had an afternoon of doing stuff in the woods, and we had to build shelters in the woods, and it was like pouring with rain and cold.
Yeah, PGL was a weird one. It's very outdoorsy, but I remember putting those wet harnesses on and going up a trapeze and then bouncing onto that trapeze. Oh, it was something else, wasn't it, Deb?
Yeah, but it was a very cheap holiday. I think it was 600 quid, all inclusive for 3 of us, 5 activities a day and all meals and accommodation for 600 quid, all of us.
I think I'd enjoy it more now because I'm more outdoorsy.
Come on, in your kennel,
Woof, woof. They are like little dog kennels, aren't they? What are they for? Oh, I'm so tall, I can hardly get out of it. There we go. Right then, let's go. So cold today. What's that, Deb?
I have no idea what that is.
No idea.
Anybody know what that is?
What is that?
What is it?
Deb, just make the most of this Sherwood Pines walk. Because you know what? I reckon in a few months' time that'll be it. We'll be locked in our houses. Literally locked in our houses. Can you imagine if someone came round every door and locked each door up? We're crazy.
Yeah, but a year ago you would never have imagined this was going to happen, would you?
Very true. Very true.
It. I know when we were at uni, and it was like this time last year at uni, and course leader was saying, oh, the university might close down. And I was like, what is she talking about?
I know, right?
Ridiculous.
What's this branch of a snake round here?
Something new. When are we getting the drone out, Lucy?
I don't know, Deb. I mean, not right now because there's people around. I've got a place in mind though for it.
I think I know what you mean.
I think, yeah.
Can't come here and not get the drone out.
I know.
We haven't got the kettle, but we're going to get the drone
Not
out.
got the jet board today. Basically what it is that we're going to go for a little walk, right? But we couldn't find the entrance to the walk. So we just thought we'd come here instead. If you're enjoying this video so far, please go and hit that subscribe button, it helps me a lot. I've still not forgot about the 2000 subscriber giveaway. We're still waiting on a few things to come in the post, but I can't wait to announce it and do it. I'm so excited. So excited. Yeah, you'll find out more soon, so watch this space. So we're sat on a bench right now, and I said no to bringing the jet board today, as I thought we're going on a 3-mile walk with no benches, but we're here in Sherwood Pines, and now Deb's really fed up because she really fancies a coffee. Deb, why do you like Sherwood Pines so much?
Well, to be perfectly honest, I've not been here for ages because we've been to the Peak District.
Yeah.
And now I think I prefer the Peak District.
But you normally have get the bikes around here, don't you? You
normally hire a bike.
Hire a bike, but it's so expensive to hire a bike here, isn't it?
£9.50 for an hour.
For one bike?
Yeah. I mean, we have got bikes.
Yeah, but it's just a faff, isn't it?
It's a faff getting them up from the cellar.
And someone stole our bike rack.
Well, we lent our bike rack to a friend and we never got it back.
Yeah. But it is nice to come here, isn't it, Deb? It's so peaceful. So, half a kilometre to get back to the car. I'm absolutely freezing. When you sit down, you really start to feel the cold. But yeah, it's been a lovely walk. I love Sherwood Pines in Nottingham. Love it. Bit of mindfulness. If you enjoyed this video, comment, like, share. Go and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!